day is day whatever it is. We've spent multiple days in Tokyo. We spent multiple days in Kyoto. We spent a day in Osaka.
Yes.
We've traveled to Miura twice.
Once in the middle of the night, once in the daylight.
Right. Oh, and then we spent like another, what, 3 days in Tokyo before that?
Oh yeah.
Something like that. So now we're going to Hiroshima. So we've got 2 train stops, and then we're gonna take another bullet train to get there. And then, I don't know, he looked up the itinerary and figured out what we're gonna be doing for the next couple days. So.
All kinds of cool shit.
So we'll keep
historical
you guys.
stuff.
So enjoy the journey to Hiroshima.
Yeah.
With us.
See you soon.
All right. Pasta.
How is it?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet.
Try that shit out. The great thing about this, Japan doesn't have sugar, they have syrup. You just put syrup in everything. That's better. Much more better. How's your pasta?
It's okay. Not bad. Not worth $15.
Definitely a different flavor. The pasta itself
Yeah.
almost puts me in the mind of like a whole wheat. Alright, well, that's lunch.
That's what?
That's lunch. Pasta and pasta.
により JR 西日本が終点岡山までご案内をいたします。お席を離れる際、お休みの際などは貴重品の管理にはご注意ください。ご利用の皆様に特大荷物や
So yesterday at the bus stop getting onto our bus, we were rushed off by a little 90-year-old lady who wanted to give us coffee and crumpets at her house. And
Crumpets.
I didn't speak enough Japanese to understand that, but I did. And so while I told her that I didn't have time to stay for tea and crumpets, we ended up going on the bus back to the hotel. But on our way off, she sent us off with some candy. So we're gonna try them for the first time. It's a variety pack. Stick your hand in, pick out your poison. Randomly selected.
I got this, which is, I believe, a mochi.
All right, a mochi.
A mochi. Oh, you got the same thing? No.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
well, yours has got a little leaf on it, though.
No, they're different.
You're different.
Yeah, yours looks like a butthole.
Because
Look
I'm
at that.
built different. You want to lick it?
Looks like a butthole. A white powdered penis.
A little balloon nut?
You got a balloon nut.
All right, eat my butthole. Wait, you gonna let me eat yours? Give me
Wait,
that.
I get the finger first.
All right.
This is still chewy.
Mine's. I don't like that. I don't like anything with this bag so far.
I know, because you tried one before I got to. I don't know, that wasn't bad.
What?
That was a powdered anus smoky.
A powdered anus mochi. Not mochi, mochi.
Yes, it was great, man. Great candy. You should try it. If you want, I'll finger you one out. And you could try it for yourself. There you go.
All right, thanks.
Try it out.
That's that powdered anus mochi.
And I'm gonna try out
Powdered anus mochi.
Yeah, except this time you eat your own.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna
Oh yeah, here, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Did it focus?
There you go. It's always gonna pick your face.
I'm gonna pick your face.
Powdered anus mochi here.
What did you say that was?
Powdered anus mochi.
Not that one.
Oh, I have no idea.
You don't read Japanese that well?
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought it was good.
Yeah.
It was almost like a red bean paste, but it wasn't quite red bean. It was different.
You know what? You are a red bean paste. If I had to pick you out of a bag of variety fucking snacks, you'd be the red bean paste. No, what were they looking like?
Walked by and then they said, "Eee."
What? Like you? Like we're gross yuckies?
No, I don't know. No,
Okay. Are we eating this whole bag?
Yeah, why not? Go for the next one.
I got this one. No, I don't want that. That's what I had last time.
Oh, that one's
Throwing
yours.
shit.
Get that one. I think this is a What do they call
bean
those?
paste smoky?
No.
A powdered anus smoky? Alright, here, what is
This is the
Oh wow, this
what
is
is that? What is the cream filled things that are
eclair.
eclair? This is an eclair.
You're an eclair.
No, it's not.
No, no, no. These are grandma's snacks.
This is a dried out red bean paste.
I got pee.
A slightly chocolate coated on the top. You know where the pisser is. But if you miss this train, I'm leaving without you.
There's a train on the bathroom. I'll go pee in there.
So thank you.
Look, it's like vlogging a vlog. Vlogging a vlog.
You're vlogging a vlog.
Yeah.
Do you want to try another piece of your Korean candy?
It's not even Korean. You're a dick. You're an asshole. That's not Korean and that's not candy. I tried that shit and it was towel for your hand.
For those of you who don't know, I gave a piece of this candy to Hyde and he shoved it in his mouth and was like, man, this shit tastes like a towel. And I was like,
It was literally just a dry hand towel.
That's because it is a dry hand towel. You're supposed to let it moist and use it to wipe your hand off. And he thought it was a piece of candy. And like everything he shoved right in his mouth, he learned his lesson that time. That ends our shenanigans between trains.
Yep.
Catch up with you later.
Welcome to my crib here in Hiroshima.
You can't even do anything.
Oh. Alright, what is this one? Oh. Alright, yeah, so come into my my little apartment. We just got here. It's an upgrade from my house in California. This is way bigger. We got a bed with a little lamp. This is actually probably one of the nicest, if not the nicest hotel we've stayed in since we've been here. It's bigger than what we've been in, but it's still pretty small. I could not live like this. Could you?
No. I live in a van.
This is bigger than your van. This is smaller than your van. We got a nice view of streets.
Super quiet.
Hiroshima, it is very quiet.
Especially
It's going to be especially quiet at night when I'm not listening to you snore.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, well, that's nice. I like this bathroom. Ooh. Do you feel like when you go into a new hotel or a new room or whatever, you're like, oh, this is like exciting or whatever, and then like after a night, you're like, it just becomes normal.
Yeah.
Like when we were in that last one, I was just like, I'm just used to it now. Let's see. Shower. Holy shit, this is cool. Look at this shower. It's fancy. They don't look at my toilet, please.
Hey, you're fancy.
That's what you just did. You just turned on the toilet.
I just made it flush and shoot some air aroma shit in there.
Look, they give you little cups in case you're thirsty. You want to drink toilet water. Nice little sink, towels, linen basket, I think. Napkins in a leather pouch in case you want to wear this out and you're eating food. Just like, oh, I ate wings and my face is dirty, and you just you carry this around with you. This is mist, so that way when Vance farts. This room actually already kind of stinks. Does this smell to you?
No, it smells like whatever you just sprayed all over the place. Don't get it on my camera. Well, that smells fresh. Holy shit, I gotta go. Thanks guys, it's been real, but it stinks now.
No, it smells better now.
Like $1 million.
$1 million?
You gotta lift your umbrella up a little higher so we can see your face. There you go, put a little light on that beautiful face of yours. What are we doing in the rain today?
We are trudging through this torrential downpour to come over here to see Hiroshima Castle. It is wet out here. My feet are wet. My feet are soaked.
Your Lamborghini has the windows down?
Yes, my Lamborghini's interior is all wet. So yeah, we're gonna go check this place out, and it looks gorgeous.
And then we're heading over to the park.
The Memorial Peace.
Yeah,
Peace
the
Memorial.
Peace Memorial Park. And I believe there's also a Peace Memorial Museum.
I think there's also a Peace Memorial Museum.
That we're gonna go see.
So let's go. Look at this moat.
Moat all the way around the castle.
If you want to come here with us Make sure you sign up on that Patreon link right here. Type that into your browser. Click the link in the beginning of this video. There's like a little black thing right here that says click here. Make sure you guys get signed up. It doesn't matter what tier level you're at. It's gonna get you eligible to come to Japan or any other place around the world that we may travel, and potentially for free. One of you guys is gonna be picked to go on a trip with us for free. Every trip that we do, a new person. So make sure you guys sign up. It's only $5 to get in.
And you'll get a free umbrella with your free trip.
We will provide you with an umbrella, yes. So this is the atomic bomb dome here in Hiroshima. One of the places that we wanted to come and see. Definitely an emotional experience, to say the least. You know, it's definitely sad to think about, you know, what war brings and how many innocent lives are lost, you know, for no fault of their own. Seeing this kind of stuff is just, it's very saddening, you know, but it's definitely a historic landmark, and I think that if you guys are in this area, you should definitely come check it out and just see. We're gonna head over to the Memorial Peace Park now, check that out, and that should be the last of our touristy kind of stuff we're gonna do here in Hiroshima. So let's go see what we got over there.
It's a great opportunity to come out and connect with the emotions of what actually happened here and the lives that were lost of the innocent people doing absolutely nothing but their daily routine. So I would definitely come check it out if you have the chance. Pay your respects. I believe it's the only building still standing after the atomic bomb that they left and have kept available for everybody else to view. Check it out.
This flame is supposed to be burning until the day that the world decides to no longer use nuclear weapons. This is called the Flame of Peace, and it was designed and paid for by donations from all over Japan after the World War. I believe it said it was built in 1965, and it's burned every day since. And this is what's known as the Pond of Peace, and that's the Flame of Peace. And these are the socks of peace. They are drenched.
Yeah, if you can't see, we're walking through puddles of water. Torrential downpour, and my feet now splish splash every time I walk.
Woo! That is good. Oh my god. Well,
First time you've tried the dough tour?
yeah, and fortunately and unfortunately, these things are everywhere. I'm gonna go broke just getting these. Oh my god, this is so good.
What did you get?
The matcha tea latte.
Oh yeah. Do you want to try the caffeinated mocha? What? For those of you who don't know, I went for the caffeinated mocha. It's delicious as well, and I get whipped cream. Today we're on our way to Osaka again, because it's halfway between here and Tokyo, which is our final destination for the weekend, to go out and check out the nightlife with some friends. For those of you who don't know, we have been unsuccessful in finding any entertainment at the evening hours. Although we learned last night that everything is underground and we have been above ground. So maybe we'll get lucky this weekend and find some weekend nightly entertainment.
Yeah.
But yeah, what he said.
Yeah, what he said. All right, let's go.
ただいまベルト
Please leave a message at the tone.
Thank you. Come again.
Hi, what's going on? Come on in. Please don't forget to put your slippers on.
I've put my slippers on already.
Awesome.
I don't know. Maybe the message machine no longer leaves messages.
All right, cool. Welcome to my apartment in Osaka, Japan. We're gonna show you what apartments look like. So up until this point, we've been staying in hotels, but today Vance booked us our own apartment rooms, so I didn't have to listen to him snoring any longer. I don't know. What do you think? They're pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
I'm pretty pleased with it. I think if we can find this, but much larger, it would be great. So you come in and you have your own little kitchen. Look, got a stove. They provide you with green tea bags. You got a little electric kettle, a big sink. They've got cooking utensils and supplies down here. You don't need to see that.
We don't need to see
You got a fridge, freezer, and a microwave. Pretty good little deal. Behind you here, when you first walk in, is a little cabinet for your guests when they come over. They could store their shoes or whatever. So you put your little slippers on. In here, we've got a toilet. This is the bathroom. And these toilets always have sinks on top of them. Here's where it gets really cool. So we have a washer, possibly washer dryer. Don't know. Haven't figured that out yet, but maybe. And then a little sink. This is your bathroom. I don't know what all this is. Dry, cool, heat fan for something. Oh wait.
Probably for the shower.
Shower. Okay, so check this shower out. It's like a whole shower room. Take off your little slippers and your clothes, and this whole thing is a shower. This room is a shower. So your shower head's right here. You got a little bathtub, but you stand right here and you shower. And there's a drain right here on the floor. And you got your soaps and shampoos over here if you want to come in here and look. What a trip. So you just shower right here. And then we've got the master bedroom. The only bedroom. With a magnetizing doorstop. Look at that. You've got closet storage here. So you can hang your leather jacket. And put your suitcase in there so when your friends come over they don't see your suitcase. AKA Vance. And my boots are in there too. Got a nice little couch chair. And your bed. You've got a little TV. And then my desk so you can do your little work. We have a balcony.
There you go.
This is so you can pretend to be a jet fighter or a starship pilot. Rudders, give them more rudders. Rudder. Give it more rudder. Oh my god, we're so high up. That gives me the EBGBs.
Let's see what your view looks like.
It's pretty. Hello. Oh god, creeps. That's an apartment in Osaka. So
Yeah.
And you get a clock, so you always know what time it is. Because you need to know what time it is always. So if you're looking to stay in Osaka, this is what an apartment is like, and we're gonna be here for 2 nights. So I definitely would recommend you hop on the internet, contact Vance to book you an apartment because he knows how to do it. And this is more or less what you're gonna get. 50 bucks a night, not too bad at all. So welcome to Osaka. We're back. Let's go see what we're gonna get into tonight. Vance is gonna find us a place to go out and live it up tonight. So yeah, we'll see you guys in Osaka.